Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is the 27th of March 2026. I didn't update yesterday, so the last time I updated was 2 days ago on the 25th. So this is what has happened in the last two trading days. The net asset value has dropped again from 4% down to about zero, and then now we are slightly negative at negative 0.25% absolute return. Oanda is at 13,774 with an 84% exposure, and Binance at 9,697 at 37% net exposure, which gives us a net asset value of 23,471. Not much activity in the past 48 hours or so. We can jump straight into Bitcoin first of all. So since the last update around this candle, 25th around 10 a.m., we just had two buys. Yeah, we had two buys here and here. So the strategy to increase the grid size to $2,000 instead of $1,000 seems to be working because the price has been plummeting quite a lot over the past 48 hours or so, from 72,000 to 66,000, and we have hit two buy orders instead of the usual four buy orders. So, and this is controlling our risk exposure as well. As you can see, is only about 37%. So this is factoring in a bigger drop to potentially 50,000 with no stress on being liquidated or being over leveraged. So that was for Bitcoin. No take profits. It's just a constant downtrend, which is okay. It's all part of the game. We just accept that these things happen, and then we are ready for the uptrend. So this is the daily chart. You can see it's just been going down over the past maybe 10 days, from 75, almost 76,000 down to 66,000. So it's down 10k for Bitcoin. So it's not insignificant. It's quite a big drop. So let's look now at silver. Silver is going through the same thing as well. So it's quite unusual that when metals are pumping, Bitcoin is lagging, and now metals are lagging, but Bitcoin is still lagging. So seems to be highly correlated when it's going down, but not when metals and Bitcoin are well, when metals are going up, Bitcoin still goes down. So yeah, strange correlation at this point. It's probably due to the fact that oil has been still pumping and maintaining its quite high level. But for silver, let's see over the past 48 hours what has happened. So we last updated somewhere around here. So we have had one buy order at 71. You can see right here at this level. So this trade was open around here, and then we had no subsequent trades since then. But we do have an open order at 66. Hopefully that hits, and now we can take profit on that. So yeah, just one buy for silver. Let's look at the daily chart. Yeah, just downtrend. Everything just seems to be dumping. Let's go to China. Yeah, pretty much in a tight range. Nothing has changed. Still one open trade at about 14,500, and one buy order set at 14,000 with the take profit for 15,000. So that was for China. Let's look at copper. What's going on? Pretty much the same story. Copper and China A50. Let's look at gold. Yeah, gold seems to be chopping as well around the 4,400 mark. Um, yeah, we have open trades from 4,500 onwards, and an open buy order at the 4,100 level. So yeah, that prediction pretty much covers everything. This is what our net asset value curve looks like. Very choppy. So after 29 days, our return is almost, yeah, break even. But yeah, we're not losing, so that's a good sign, and we hope for an upturn to pump up the net asset value. All right, guys, that's my update for today, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye.